These are the Pop Clip 2s from SoundPEATS. And as my first pair of open ear earbuds that I've ever used, these really impressed me. And after using them for a couple of weeks, I'm going to tell you all about them, tell you about the pricing, the features, and why you might want to consider buying these for yourself. Now in the box with the Pop Clip 2s, SoundPEATS does a really good job of giving you everything you need to get up and running with their products. Right at the top, you have all the user guides and setup instructions. And then you have the case that holds the Pop Clip 2s. This is another one of SoundPEATS' classic matte finish case designs. It flips open at the top, revealing the Pop Clip 2 earbuds on the inside. The shape was a little interesting at first, but I have come to really enjoy using them. And last in the box is a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. Really wish this was a USB-C to USB-C, but it does the job just fine. But how do the Pop Clip 2s work? Well, it's kind of in the name. They just sort of clip, quote unquote, over your ear. Now, this is a point of friction for me, but I've come to realize that I think 99% of people are not going to have any problems with these earbuds. And that's just because I have somewhat larger ears than I think most people do. So for me, initially, finding the right spot to clip the earbuds over for the right fit so they didn't feel insecure did take a little bit of practice and a little bit of time to do. But since finding the sweet spot, I have come to really find them easy to put in. And it's nice that you don't have to shove something in your ear. It's better for the health of your ear. You're gonna have less ear fatigue. And using these for longer periods of time, longer listening sessions, is much easier than I find with even like AirPods Max. These are just much easier and gentler on the ear to use. The Pop Clip 2s are the first open ear earbuds that I've ever gotten my hands on and tested out before. And I was a little unsure about whether or not these were going to fill the void of a traditional pair of earbuds. But the most impressive and surprising thing about these Pop Clip 2s is how good they sound for earbuds that aren't even in your ears. The sound quality and the bass quality is very impressive. The Pop Clip 2s are equipped with high-res LDAC audio playback support, and each Pop Clip 2 earbud features a 12mm audio driver, which is really nice. And again, clarity, quality, bass is very good. And like with other pairs of SoundPEATS earbuds, which I've tested before on the channel, the Pop Clip 2s pair with the SoundPEATS app on your iPhone or Android device, and it allows you to customize the EQ and levels and playback sound effects of your earbuds to get the right sound and mix for you. For example, I listen to a lot of hip hop and EDM music, so depending on what I'm listening to, I do like the ability to go in and change the EQ because each type of music just sounds a little bit different in earbuds like this or in other pairs of earbuds. So the dynamic capability here is really nice to have. And the earbuds are also very light. They weigh about 5 grams each. So once you clip them onto your ear, they're pretty much weightless. And once you get them secured in the right place for your ear, they are pretty snug. Now, if you go for a run and you're really shaking around, really running hard, they might come loose, but for 90% of the time, you're not gonna have any issue with these staying in your ear and delivering high quality audio into your ears during a listening session. There's also very few physical buttons on the Pop Clip 2s, so there's not really any chance that you're gonna accidentally trigger the play or pause of a song while you're listening. The physical buttons are tucked up in behind the back of the driver, so they're pretty much out of the way. Now, like with other SoundPEATS products, I do have a couple gripes about the Pop Clip 2s, but really not so much about the actual product themselves. It's more so about the case and the software powering these earbuds. As I said during the unboxing section, SoundPEATS has once again equipped the Pop Clip 2s with one of their more matte finished standard charging cases. And while the case is nice and the battery life of these earbuds is pretty solid, giving about 50 hours of playback between what the earbud can store and what the case can hold as well, and in real world, that stacks up pretty closely, The usability and design of the case itself is not very good, in my opinion. There's no groove present on the case, so getting your finger in to flip it open is a little bit of a workout, and it's pretty much impossible to do with a single hand. So if you got something in your other hand and you want to quickly open the case to get your earbuds on, you're not really going to be able to do it very quickly. And like with other SoundPEATS products, every time you power up or pair the Pop Clip 2s, the sound effects that play back through the earbuds are very cheesy. It sounds like a toy, like a cartoon character announcing, "I'm here to play music." I really wish they would do away with this and just make it a little bit more modern, sophisticated, and chic. I know these are obviously a more budget product, but considering how good and impressive the audio quality is for a product at this price point, they should just go the extra mile to make everything help sell the product a little bit better. Speaking of price, as of the time of this recording, the Pop Clip 2s are just $49.99 US, so about 65 Canadian dollars, 70 Canadian dollars, which again, for an open ear earbud is quite surprising considering what it can do. They're very comfortable to wear, and the audio quality and the bass quality and the sound is really impressive. It's clear, it pops, and for something, again, that doesn't fit all the way in your ear, I was really surprised by how good the audio sounded out of these earbuds. There are, of course, trade-offs. They are more likely to fall off during an active session or a workout. And of course, because it doesn't go exactly into your ear, there is a lot of sound bleed, so people around you could potentially hear what you're listening to if you have your audio up at a higher level. But on the whole, for $49.99, I feel like these are really worth pretty much every penny, with the exception of the case design and the quirky sound effects. It's a really compelling package, and I've really enjoyed my time over the past few weeks using the Pop Clips 2 for working, listening to music, or walking the dog in the evenings. I just can't say again how impressed I've been with the audio. But as always, what do you guys think of the SoundPEATS Pop Clip 2s? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you want one? Or do you have one? Looking forward to hearing your comments down below. Thank you to the team at SoundPEATS for sending the Pop Clip 2s over to me to test out and review for you guys here on the channel. I'll leave links to check them out right at the top of the video description. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.